It's spring again. Today we will crochet the beloved daisy flower. This one has lots of petals. Using the same pattern, we can also crochet one with less petals. They are good additions to your crochet project. In this video, I use gazelle baby yarn and a 2mm hook. Start with magic ring. Chain 1, 6 single crochets in the ring. 1, 2, 6. For the losing end to close the ring. Slip stitch to the first stitch. This completes the first round. It has 6 stitches. Chain 1, 2 single crochets in each stitch. 1, 2 in the first stitch. Second stitch 1, 2. Repeat until finish the second round. This round has 12 stitches. Chain 1, 3 single crochets every 2 stitches. So 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochets in the second stitch, 1 single crochet in the third stitch, and 2 single crochets in the fourth stitch. Repeat until finish this third round. This round has 18 stitches. Chain 2, 2 double crochets every 3 stitches. So work on the first double crochet in the first stitch. Before completing, work on the second double crochet in the second stitch. Then pull the yarn through all the loops. Now 1 double crochet in next stitch. Again 2 double crochets in next 3 stitches. So 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches. And 1 double crochet in the third stitch. Repeat till the end of 4th round. Now we have 12 stitches. The 5th round, chain 1, 1 single crochet on each stitch till the end. We still have 12 stitches. Now put a marker on the position as we will start working on the petals. I'll show you where we will put the petals. This is the first stitch post in the round 5, second, third, fourth, and continue. This is the first stitch post in round 4, second, third, fourth. We will always put the petal in between the stitch posts. Now let's start working on the petals. Change the color of yarn to white. And you can start from any post for the 4th round. We'll make 12 chains. 5, 10, 12. And turn the chains over. And from the first chain, from the hook, 1 single crochet. Next one, 1/2 double crochet, followed by 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 5, then followed by 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and end with 2 single crochets. 1, 2, totally 12 stitches. So this is our pattern. And we will slip stitch to the next post in the 4th round. Now we can start working on the next pattern. Again 12 stitches, 12 chains. Single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, the same as last petal. Now we have finished 2 petals. Slip stitch to the next post in the 4th round. There are 12 posts, so you can add 12 petals. If you count chain stitch as another post, then you can add 13 petals. Now we have the flower similar to this one as we showed before. If we want to increase the number of petals, we have to use round 5. And we can continue making petals on round 5. This is what we have after making another 12 petals on round 5. So overall we have 25 petals. Now let's close the hole on the back. Chain 1, decrease 1 stitch every 2 stitches. And we will have 6 stitches at the end. Use your needle to close a small hole left. So this is our completed daisy flower. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I will have regular updates.